Started by Tata Power, the Tata Power Skill Development Institute, or TPSDI, is an integrated technical training institute, transforming raw talent and rough skills into polished and ready professionals. TPSDI trains engineers, supervisors, and technicians from the industry. Our training also caters to people of all educational and experience levels, including students. We enable our trainees to reach their potential and achieve their dreams. We are empowering skills for life.
Hey, I am Samir Singh. I am from NHIT Durgapur.
Hi, I am Dipanshu Kushwaha. I am in TPSDI Maitan to learn industrial mechanical skills.
Hi, I am Ajit Kumar Yadav. I am from Gauri Devi ITI Durgapur, West Bengal. I am in TPSDI Maitan to learn industrial skill for ITI.
Our faculty comprises experts from different areas and specializations in the power industry. Most of our faculty has immense industry work experience, ranging from 10 to over 30 years.
Hi, I am Alok Prashad. I have been planning and executing of various power plant projects for over 15 years. I am managing TPSDI Maitan since the center was established in March 2016.
Hi, I am Shudip Das. I am a BTech Mechanical Engineer. I had done my post-graduation from National Power Training Institute, NPTI Durgapur. I trained engineering students in industrial mechanical skills at TPSDI Maitan.
Hi, I am Pradeep Devray. I am faculty of Electrical and Solar Engineering at TPSDI Maitan. I have experience of 36 years in industrial electrical and solar energy.
Our faculty's expertise, combined with TPSDI's robust training approach and exhaustive infrastructure, enables our trainees to acquire skills and experiences beyond classrooms. TPSDI Maitan has smart classrooms, workshops, labs, and several life-size working models to skill people. The state-of-the-art institute has various tools, equipment, teaching aids, and exhibits, enabling our trainees to experience more than 300 practice activities in electrical, mechanical, and renewables. TPSDI is changing the game in skill-based training in every way, with innovative and technology-enabled training and assessment practices. Globally, and even as a nation, renewable energy is a major thrust area, and India is rapidly scaling its solar energy installations. TPSDI Maitan has working installations for training on on-grid, off-grid solar, rooftop solar photovoltaic, as well as a solar submersible pumping system. TPSDI continuously adds the latest equipment and technological developments to enhance its training offerings. The institute offers training in smart homes or home automation technologies and has state-of-the-art simulators.
Hi, I am Nitesh Anand from BIT Mesra, an electrical engineering student. I am here at TPSDI Maitan to learn industrial training skill for electrical engineers.
Working with advanced technologies and advanced equipment here makes us really skilled, and we can work for industry in coming future.
We also expected some other knowledges also which is not available in our engineering colleges.
TPSDI is the only integrated technical institute in India with a well-designed safety curriculum for every work level. Safety is interwoven through all training at the institute to inculcate safe working as a culture. TPSDI Maitan, strategically located next to Maitan Power Limited, is near Dhanbad and is well connected by rail and road. The institute attracts a sizable number of trainees from the community and nearby towns. With the growing reputation of the institute and enhanced training offerings, TPSDI Maitan gets a substantial number of students from engineering colleges and polytechnics, not only from Jharkhand, but also from the adjoining states of Bihar, West Bengal, and Odisha. The training facility is 5S compliant, making the institute clean, sparkling, and giving it an efficient and pleasant visual order. Due to 5S, TPSDI Maitan is well organized, thus improving the quality, efficiency, and safety standards of the training. Apart from industrial technical skills, TPSDI Maitan also inculcates life skills in its students, enabling them to grow holistically and be prepared for the world.
Hi, I'm Jackie John. I'm a soft skill trainer at TPSDI. Apart from the technical education, I ensure that trainees get a well-rounded coaching in life skills like leadership, communication, and interview orientation.
This, along with the well-manicured and landscaped campus, provides an environment for trainees to acquire skills and excel without any distractions. The center has tie-ups with neighboring guest houses for residential programs. Lunchbox, the institute's cafeteria, caters wholesome meals to the trainees and staff.
TPSDI Maithan is a leading institute providing industrial skill training to the engineering students. The training provides an opportunity to acquire knowledge and skills along with hands-on exposure on actual equipment. These courses enable the students to be industry ready.
TPSDI's commitment to delivering quality learning is borne out by the certifications, accolades, awards, and partnerships that the institute has garnered in a short period. TPSDI's dedication to quality technical education has made it the industrial training partner of choice for a number of leading colleges. If you want to train with the best of infrastructure and industry experts, if you want to acquire relevant and up-to-date skills, if you want to bridge the gap between academia and industry, if you want to enhance your career, come to TPSDI and acquire empowering skills for life.